Hey, nuestra. This is our junior engineer, Carolina. She's learning. She's on her way to be a successful RF engineer, hopefully in about 10 years, because people believe that it's very easy to be an RF engineer, but it's not easy. It takes time and process. And everything has evolved, everything is technology, and you have to be up to date. However, you also need to understand the field work, and this is part of it. Right now, they're working on the electrical that's being done on this site. It's a little bit ruined, but hopefully, in a couple of days, you will see the change. We already did lights because when we came here, there was no lights, and now we're doing the electrical panel and just getting everything on code because everything needs to be done on code. No inventions, no imagination, just plain facts, numbers, calculations. You cannot do this without having experience and without being careful. You have to be careful, wear a helmet, wear the proper shoes, and be very careful because you can get hurt. And this is part of what we do. We don't only sell transmitters, TV transmitters or FM transmitters, we also do field work. We do install. We do whatever you need to put your station up to point and up with the best technology. Now wait and see in a couple of days what the end of this job is going to look like. Bye.